Okay, so this is a test of our live transcript abilities. This is the immersive experience, and we will soon be able to stream onto YouTube within the next 24 hours. The channel's already approved for that, so we can conduct board meetings here with full transcripts or anything else that we need to do, and that will eliminate the need for in-person meetings. These virtual meetings will serve as a ability to keep a record of our conversations in business, as well as push the message out. So this is just a demonstration of the new capabilities that are coming online now. And I look forward to, see, this is not the shared experience I want to use. We're going to go with this one. Yeah, sorry, there we go. I think it's better. So put us each in our own chair. See, so here's my, here I am, but I can move myself around. So I will put myself over here, or right there. No. So we can sit at the table or however it needs to be. And I guess this would be, this is the control bot or source. So I'm gonna put them over here. And I guess if the chair, I'd probably sit here. There we go. So let me set just my chair this way. Closer. Okay, that's good enough. So the chair will probably sit here and the vice chair there, and that's how we can organize it. So here we are. This is the future, or the imminent future. Luis and Omar came by earlier, and my cousin and Bert stopped by, so we had a little informal meeting at around, I forget exactly what time, but we were able to discuss some important things, and the future looks bright. So I look forward to sharing that with everybody. Thank you. And I know what I wanted to share. I want to do this. Let's see here. I wanted to I think I have to switch out of the immersive experience. Sorry about that. If you're still watching this, we'll do this. We're gonna go back to the sorry, it's a little bit of a learning curve, but I know, oh, here we go. And I want to do a new whiteboard and open and collaborate that. And then I wanted to so there was that, and then I wanted to do this. Wait a minute. We're gonna go to where are you? Here we go. I want to share the screen and do that. And I'm going to share this screen here. And we're going to go here, and I will leave us with this. It needs the audio, so let me start it again because the audio makes it so much better. Hold on. I'll turn. Here we go. Come on. Great. There we go. There we go. And there we have it. So, and if everyone is talking. All right, so that concludes our little meeting. That's necessary because, oh, I know the problem. Okay.
Okay.
Sorry, look at this pixel down there. Now, that concludes the demonstration. Oh, yeah, I was just showing not gloves, but there's more than just the words that have significance. So we'll have to learn not symbolism, but there are ways to interact with the digital world, I guess. So, was it cyberverse or what they're calling it? You got certain gloves like that have ways to touch. These are touch enabled here, but the different gloves are different symbolisms, of course, and capabilities. And you've got like the merge cube and stuff like that, which can change to any object. And of course, the hat and the sigil that you wear also have significance. As Elon Musk says, it's got to have like your wizard's cap, which is like a purple crown with tassels. And of course, 48 with that one, and that's about that. So hope everyone's having a good morning, and peace be with you, brothers and sisters. ZeroPoint out. Actually, yeah.